Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. I made some ginger snap cookies and these are very popular in the holiday season. I like them anytime, but I do know that there are people who really want these kinds of recipes during the cold season because the ginger warms you up. Molasses is a very fun type of substance. It's unsulfured, organic, blackstrap molasses, non-GMO. Is people want recipes to know how do you use it, right? You can use it in breads. Fun fact: rum is actually made from molasses, which is pretty interesting in case you didn't know. So I'll put the description in the description box the recipe for you so that you can have these. If you want to use a cookie cutter to make little shapes like gingerbread men, if you're a Christian, there's the story about the little gingerbread man and you want to use the same dough for that, feel free to do that. You can do it by hand, like you can just press the cookies by hand. It also can work. So yeah, I made some of these and the little ones will like it and it smells great when you cook it. I do recommend using fresh ginger, not pickled or preserved ginger. It smells great, has a little bit more of a punch to it, and alhamdulillah, I hope you enjoy if you get time to try out the recipe. This paper is a baking paper, and you can use tinfoil if you want, but switch it up, practice with both, right? You're gonna get your pans over time, they're gonna get worn out. You don't want to be buying Teflon all the time, so you want to have some baking paper, wax paper, in order to reuse the same pans, because scrubbing pans is going to scratch them up anyways and you're going to get little pieces of metal in your food and that's not good for you. So practice with baking sheets and stuff and with those types of baker's accessories. So alhamdulillah, hope you can smell your phone because they're fresh out the oven. It smells so good. So you can also, by the way, put cream cheese frosting on these. You can put a maple frosting, buttercream frosting. You can also do a peanut butter frosting if you wanted. Yeah, so these are very diverse cookies. You can leave them as is. You can add walnuts to them, white chocolate, whatever variation you like to do. But inshallah, I'll put the dough recipe in the description box for you, fam.